first book today is called The Magic Hat by Memphis. One fine day from out of town and without any warning at all, there appeared a magic hat. Oh, the magic hat, it moved like this and moved like that. It spun through the air and over a road and sat on the head of a warty old toad. Oh, the magic hat, it moved like this, it moved like that. It spun through the air like a bouncing balloon and sat on the head of a hairy baboon. Oh, the magic hat, it moved like this, it moved like that. It spun through the air from way over there and sat on the head of a sleepy old bear. Oh, the magic hat, it moved like this, it moved like that. It spun through the air, it's true, and sat on the head of a kangaroo. Oh, the magic hat, it moved like this, it moved like that. It spun through the air for 1.5 miles and sat on the head of a lofty giraffe. And then, with a skip, and then with a hop, a wizard appeared with a sign that said, "Stop." So everyone stopped and stared in surprise at the wonderful wizard with sparkling eyes, who took from his beard with a nod and a wink a wand which he waved. And what do you think? The toad, the baboon, the bear, and the roo, and of course the giraffe, oh what a to-do, turned back into people, dazed and confused, watched by a crowd that was highly amused. While no one was looking, the wizard meanwhile skipped out of town with a mischievous smile. And of course, on his head was the fabulous hat that made all the magic wherever it sat. The end. Good job, everybody. Now, I would like you to look up at my board. We have a special letter today. I want to point to this letter. Can you name it for me? E, that's right. Well, it's not just any E, it's a magic E. So, a magic E, I hang around the ends of words so silently I sneak. But oh, the magic I perform to make the vowels speak. I hang around the ends of words, and yes, I am to blame. I just like to scare the vowel and make him say his name. Wow. So now we're going to do a little thing together. I'd love for you to join me. We're going to say alakazam, alakazee. Look what happens with magic E. Well, we had CAP, and that was a cap. And then here comes magic E, and it makes the A say A. So the new word is cape, cape. Good job. Let's try it again. Let's see if we can make a new word. Alakazam, alakazee, look what happens with magic E. Let's put it down. All right. Well, this is a picture of a tub. T-U-B. But when we add the magic E, It makes the U say its name. And so now our new word is tube. Like a toothpaste tube. There you go. All right, one more to go. Alakazam, alakazee, look what happens with magic E. Well, this, boys and girls, was a first aid kit, but then we added magic E, and it makes the I say its name. So now it is pronounced kite. I hope you enjoyed our Magic E activity. Now let's do a little rhyme called Hands Up High. Hands up high, hands down low. Hide your hands, now where do they go? One hand up, the other one too. Clap them, now we're through. And now we're ready for our second book, boys and girls. This one is called The Wizard, the Fairy, and the Magic Chicken. Bop, bop. This one is written by Helen Lester. There once lived a wizard, a fairy, and a magic chicken. Each thought, I am the greatest in the world, and each was very jealous of the other two. My wand has a moon on it, said the wizard. Well, my wand has a star on it, said the fairy. Well, my wand has a pickle on it, said the magic chicken. Bop, bop. I can kiss a pig and turn it into a bicycle, said the wizard. That's nothing, said the fairy. I can kiss a bicycle and turn it into a bowl of soup. I can do better than that, said the magic chicken. I can kiss a bowl of soup and turn it into a singing frog. Each one always tried to outdo the others. I can make a hairy monster with sharp teeth, bellowed the wizard. I can make a bumpy monster with 9 legs, screeched the fairy. I can make a dotted monster with buggy eyes, yelled the magic chicken. The monsters glared at the magicians and loudly said, "Grove!" For the very first time, the magicians agreed. "Run for your lives!" they shouted. "I will make a cloud to hide behind," gasped the wizard. But that didn't stop the monsters. "I will make thunder to scare them," puffed the fairy. But the monsters weren't frightened. "I will make lightning. That will make them go away," cried the magic chicken. But they would not go away. Nothing worked. "We'd better," said the wizard. "Try something," said the fairy. "Together," said the magic chicken. So they chanted, 1, 2, 3, go! The cloud and the thunder and the lightning came together, and suddenly it rained. It rained so hard and the monsters got so wet that they shrank until they were only very little monsters and not scary at all. "We did it!" cheered the wizard, the fairy, and the magic chicken. "I must say, though," said the wizard, "my cloud made the rain." "Well," said the fairy, "it was because of my thunder, but not without my lightning," said the magic chicken. There once lived a wizard, a fairy, and a magic chicken. They argued a lot, but deep down, they were very good friends. The end. What do you think they learned in this story, boys and girls? I think they learned that it was better to work together. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to teach you a simple magic trick that you could do at home. It's called dancing raisins, and it's sure to amaze your friends and family. So first off, we're going to need a glass. And then we're going to need a clear soda, something like Sprite or 7-Up or Club Soda, but I have a Sprite today. And then some raisins. And all you have to do is pour in your Sprite. And we're going to fill the cup. Are you ready to make raisins dance? Here we go. We're just going to drop a few in. And then we're going to watch and see what happens. Oh, wow. You see, they will go up and then they will go down. And the reason, well, it's not magic, it's science actually. This is a carbonated beverage and there's carbon dioxide gas in the form of bubbles. And the raisins pick up the little bubbles on their ridges. And so that serves like a life jacket. And it brings the raisin dancing to the top. And then the bubbles pop when it reaches the surface and it sends it back down. And then it just repeats the process over and over. So I hope you learned something today with our science experiment. Thank you. All right, here we go. Magic, magic in my hat. I'll pull out a rabbit. Ah! What is that? It's a pig. Oi, oi. Let's give it another try. Magic, magic in my hat. I'll pull out a rabbit. Ah! What is that? It's a duck. Quack, quack. Magic, magic in my hat. I'll pull out a rabbit. Wait, that's not a rabbit. That's a monkey. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ah, 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 ah. I'll give it one more try. Here we go. Maybe you can say it with me at home. Magic, magic in my hat. I'll pull out a rabbit. See? Look at that. Now we are ready for our closing song, boys and girls. And I need you to show me your hands. Clap your hands, clap, clap, clap your hands, clap, clap. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Stomp your feet, stomp, stomp, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. Everybody stomp your feet. Stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Everybody stomp your feet. Tap your knees, tap, tap, tap your knees, tap, tap. Everybody tap your knees. Tap your knees, tap your knees, tap your knees, tap your knees. Everybody tap your knees. Wave goodbye, wave goodbye. Everybody wave goodbye. Wave goodbye, wave goodbye, wave goodbye, wave goodbye. Everybody wave goodbye. Thank you for joining us for story time. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.